YouTube, this is Jay here with the DIY Garage. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to remove the door panel from off of a 2007 Dodge Magnum Charger and Chrysler 300. It's pretty easy. Here we go. Alright, YouTube. First thing you want to do with removing this door panel is to remove the little covers. One right there. One right there. Then you got these little snap pins on the side. One right there. I think there's one right there. Then you got 4 screws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 screws. I'm sorry. Then you got one more push pin you got to pull out. Alright, so for this I found a flat tip screwdriver. Go ahead and open these things up. They have cross tip screws hidden behind them. So that is a number of 5 screws you'll have to take out to get this door panel out. Oh, I'm having a hard time with this one. Yeah, from the top. There you go. So that's another cross tip screw right there. Cross tip. Okay. So you go from the side over here, you try to push these in to, damn it. Okay, don't push it in all the way. It stops at a certain point, like this one, see? Don't push it in all the way. I just messed one of them up. Alright, so you go on the other side, you push that other one in right there. You only push it in on the light gray areas. Those are the ones that's hooked onto the door. Alright. So now it's time to unscrew all the screws. I use a drill bit to make things go faster. Make sure you unscrew all 5 screws. Alright, so now we got all the screws loose. I used my little panel pry bar to pop the little clips out. Try to get the one on the other one over here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to hold the camera while I do this. Alright, so now we got that up. Now it's time to try to get this door off. Yes, it's still hooked onto something. Take your time. You're gonna hear a loud pop. Yep, don't let it scare you. That means you finally got it off. Now it's time to remove the door handle joint thing. There's a little blue tab right here. You can just push the blue tag off and lift up on it, it'll come off. After you've done that, you got this harness that got 3 push disconnects on it. going to be kind of difficult, I guess, because it's never been really disconnected. But you push the button on the side and then you pull downwards to disconnect. Alright, there you go. That's how you take the door off of the Magnum. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.